In the last tutorial we see the crane hook. Now we complete this. So go to extrude, placement, define, and select the top surface for our sketching. Now we cannot use it as a reference, so but we require this circle. So what we do, we go to use and select the chains here, then close this. Now go to concentric circle and select this, and then make a circle of 75 dia. Then delete the inner one. Now click done. So extrude it to a depth of 21 mm. Then click done. So this is the first one. Now we again go to extrude and same define the top surface for our sketching. Now select this circle as a reference. Select this as a reference, then close. Now draw a circle at the center of dia 52 mm. 52. Now extrude it to a depth of 170 mm and click done. Now we have to provide the threads. So for this we go to insert, helical sweep and cut. So first of all define the attributes of a constant, throw axis and right handed. Click done. Then select the plane which is about the length and click on this. So now we have to draw the sweep profile. So first of all we select the references here like this. Now draw the dotted line coinciding with the center line. Then draw a solid line. This solid line actually represents up to which depth you require the thread. So go to solid line and draw a solid line of 75 mm length. Then click done. So now enter the pitch value of 7.5 mm. Now it will take you to the section. So we have to draw the section of our thread. So I choose V threads for my crane hook, and we know that V threads are of isosceles triangle. So first of all draw a random triangle like this, and then go to and measure these lines, angle between them, and below one. Click OK. Then make this 60 mm. This one, this angle also. So make both as a 60 degree. 60 degree this one, and 60 degree below. And make this length as 6 mm. Then click OK and again click OK and OK. So now you have the threads. So this is our final crane hook. So hope it will help you to understanding some of the basics of the ProE. Thank you for watching.